Hello everyone, welcome back to the Candle Trek. So let's actually explore the trades that I took today and what happened to the trade that we took yesterday as a long-term trade. So let's have a look at both of them. So as you can see by the thumbnail that we have made $17 of profit today with just two trades, and that is it actually, because the trade that we took yesterday, that long-term kind of trade, did not end well. So let me show you what happened to it. Actually, it got the stop loss of that trade got triggered over here, and I guess it was for good reasons because it went a bit more than that, a bit more lower than that, and a lot lower than that after that. So yeah, that's why we put stop losses actually, right? So now on this 1 hour scale, it is not looking like it is going to go anywhere, but on a 4 hour scale, it looks like it is still bullish. It's just in a complex sort of pullback. Okay, anyway, it doesn't matter to us for now. Let's actually look at the trades that I took today. You can see all the trades that I took today, the two of them, on the screen. So the first trade that I took was this one. So let's actually detach it and let's see what I was seeing. I was seeing this was stuck in this kind of zone before. So I was waiting for it to break out. And when I came back, I saw this had already broken it and it had made a quite good structure. Pull back, up, and it was in a pullback. So I thought this would be a good like a continuation of uptrend. So that's why I entered over here. Why I entered? Because what I saw is this is a kind of like this was the whole thing was a big push, and this was a kind of a pullback. And after this candle broke this high of a previous candle, I wanted to enter over here. But actually, when I just saw the market, it was somewhere around over here. So I just took that buy trade, and stop loss was somewhere around over here, and it never came close to the stop loss. It just went to the profit target directly. It was quite nice, and yeah, and after that it just continued a bit further. I could not see this when I checked the market. It was actually where I entered on the second trade over here somewhere. So yeah, I entered again, but this time it did not move in my direction. And for the second trade, I also lowered the quantity from 0.07 to 0.03. I took a 0.07 quantity for the first trade, not zero point 0.1, because it was well below that one line, the ATR, but still it was crossing up and down from this zero point 0.5 ATR line. So I've said to myself that I will only take a zero point 0.1 lot trade when the ATR is well below this zero point 0.5 line. That's why. So yeah, it was pretty good. And after that, I just wanted to save my profits, so I just lowered the quantity, although being a pretty good uptrend. I was actually doubtful of that because it has moved pretty high in one direction without so many like major kind of pullback. So I was expecting a major pullback, and which did happen. This was a major pullback. And after that, it is now stuck over here for a while. I don't know for how long will it get stuck over here. What I know is on the long term, I am again going for a bullish trade. So let's go on a bullish trade again. Let's go for a buy. And as I said, on the long term, so let's go for this big of a stop. Let's go for 4 points only. Four means around $40 on zero point 0.1 lot trade. Okay, so let's actually put our profit targets. Yesterday our profit target was somewhere around over here, as we thought it is gonna at least go up there, because yesterday it pulled down from that point. That was the high of the day yesterday, I guess. I don't know. So we could put this as a high, and I don't think it is gonna go that high. So I'm just gonna put over here. It may break that, as I guess. Now what is gonna happen is that on a complex side of things, if you see, let me actually show you the 30-minute chart. Let me actually even zoom this out and show you what is happening. Yeah, on this side, if you see, it was in a complex pullback, and what happened is down. It could not go break that high, so it stopped over here. This was the you could say lower high, and then it broke this low also. It has come for a pullback. It can actually go for a pretty good break to the downside again, because we are not pretty sure that this complex sort of pullback has ended. So it can still go down. And as we say, just follow what is going on. I should have actually entered a short trade over here. Anyways, let's see what happens. Because what I looked at is not a 13-minute chart. I saw what happened on this chart, and also what is happening on a pretty bigger scale like this one. That's why I entered a buy trade. Let's see what happens. We can never say what is actually gonna happen. We can only predict what is going to happen from our perspectives, and that is what I did. and that is what we are waiting for now. So I'll actually talk more about that trade if that finishes by tomorrow. So that is it for today. See you guys tomorrow.